Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Philip. Today I'm going to show you how to cook corned beef masala. Another very simple dish. I've tried it out and the children love it. It's a nice simple dish to make, and without further ado, let's head on to my kitchen. The ingredients for corned beef masala is as follows. We've got 2 small sized onions chopped, 1 medium-sized tomato chopped, then potatoes, 1 medium-sized potato diced as well, and I've got a few coriander leaves for garnish. I've got 3 green chilies which I've sliced them up, and I've got a few other round-sized onions which I've cut up just for garnish as well, which we'll be using, and a can of corned beef. Now let's put some oil to the pan and heat up the pan and grease the pan as well. Now let's add the onions first. Saute them in medium heat. Saute them for a minute or so, and after this we will add the potatoes. Also add the green chilies. Now add the green chilies as well to this and saute them for another minute or 2 minutes. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and about half a teaspoon of salt. Cook the spices till the raw smell goes off. If you want to make it more spicy, just add an extra teaspoon of chili powder and coriander powder to spice it up according to your taste. After sauteing the spices for about 2 minutes, now we are ready to add the tomatoes. Saute the tomatoes till the juice from the tomatoes come out, and after that we will add the corned beef to it. Now we have sauteed the tomatoes for about 2 to 3 minutes, and now we are ready to add the corned beef, which is the final step. Now add the corned beef. And saute the corned beef as well into the mixture for about a minute to 2 minutes tops. Mix the corned beef nicely into the mixture. Ooh, that smells delicious. Now, the corned beef is ready. I've sauteed it for about 1.5 minutes and we're good to serve it now. And there you have corned beef masala ready to be served. And here we have the final dish where I have garnished them with coriander and onions. It looks really delicious. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And also, once again, subscribe to the channel as well. Don't forget to subscribe. The subscribe button link is down below. Click it, and also the bell notifications. Share the video with your friends, family, and let me know your feedback and comments in the comment section down below as well. And until next time, this is your pal Phil.